Dear students, today let us learn ninth standard sociology last chapter, community. In this chapter, community, you learn meaning of community, nomadic community and its characteristics, tribal community and its characteristics, rural community and its characteristics, urban community and its characteristics. At first, let us understand the meaning of community. A group of three or more people living in a particular geographical area with common rules, regulations, values, and common identity is called community. Community is called a social unit. All communities produce and supply the goods needed for the human beings within the territory. This means the community is dependent on various portions of its members for its production and has unique food production and consumption pattern and has a way of fulfilling its various basic needs like water, shelter, and other aspects. Based on the social life, professional features, cultural life, beliefs, economic system, and population, the communities are divided into four major types. They are nomadic, tribal, rural, and urban. Nomadic community. According to Encyclopedia of Britannica, nomadism is a way of life. Nomadic community is a group of people who wander from place to place according to the seasons for the purpose of hunting and food gathering, animal husbandry, and trade. The people of a nomadic community travel place to place in search of food and shelter. Characteristics of nomadic community. Nomadism for life. Nomadic people wander for hunting, taming, and exhibition of animals, animal husbandry, practice of native medicine, exhibiting folk arts for their livelihood. We can find people in marketplace or in cities and towns exhibit animals like bear, monkey, and snakes, like a puppet show. These people may sell medicinal product, sell small goods, and doing repair work. Temporary shelter. Since the nomadic people have no permanent resident, they wander place to place in search of food and shelter. This community lack education and fixed source of income. They live in temporary shelters erected outside the village under some trees or in public places. Zero or no investment jobs. Nomadic communities do not have any economic security as they have no permanent job. Due to lack of education, many of these people earn money through rag picking, bucket repairing, fishing, hunting, selling small fancy product, etc. universal beings. Nomadic community have immense knowledge of nature. They have a strong belief in nature's invisible forces and worship them. They worship many animals like cow, buffalo, elephant, and snakes. Different mother tongue. Nomadic community includes many races, and every race have its own mother tongue. Tribal community. The biological and sociological scientists use the term tribes in different meaning. Kittil, in his Kannada dictionary, defined the term tribes as family or clan. It is originated from the Latin word tribes. Greeks and Roman writers used the term tribe for the first time to indicate tribals of Latium district, a group of clans with kinship is called tribe. Kinship means blood relations. Tribal people are also called Adivasis, Girijans, Vanyajati, and Mulanivasis. The Royal Anthropological Institute of London defines tribe as a group which lives in a particular geographical area and have their own social, political, and cultural administration. Based on the physical characteristics, the tribes can be divided into three major types. They are Caucasians, Mongolians, and Negroes. Caucasians. The people of Caucasian tribes are white in skin color. They are tall, have a long, straight, sharp nose, bent head, straight cheeks, elongated face, small lips, and long hairs on body, and light colored skin as their characteristics. Caucasian people are found in Europe, North and South America, Palestine, Asia, Iran, Balochistan, and North India. The subtribes of Caucasian tribes are Nordic, Alpine, Mediterraneans, and Hindus. Mongolian. The Mongolian tribal people are yellow in color. The physical characteristics are round head, curved eyes, flat and round face, straight and long hairs, etc. Mongolian tribes are found in east side of Asia, Malay Peninsular Island, and in America. The subtribes of Mongolian tribes are Mongolian, Malaysian, and American Indians. Negroes. The physical characteristics of Negro people are round head, flat nose, elongated cheek, small round brown eyes, short curly hairs, big fat lips, etc. Negroes are found in Africa, Australia, and in India. The aborigines of Australia and India belongs to this tribe. The subtribes of Negroes are Malaysians, Negro, and short black people. These three subtribes are again divided into many subgroups. Now let us see the three important geographical zones where tribes live in India. First, North and Northeast Zone. The subtribes of Naga such as Konak, Regma, Segma, Aho, Angama, Lotha, Pom, Changa and Kabula and their subtribes lives in Himalayan mountain regions. Central Zone. The Central Zone consists of West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, southern part of Uttar Pradesh, northern part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, northern part of Rajasthan states. The sub-tribes like Shandala, Munda, Uranva, Bhumija, Koya, Lodha, Sapura live in the central zone. South Zone. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka are the states which comes under South Zone. The major sub-tribes live in the zone are Chanchu, Thoda, Paniya, Kuruma, Kurumba, Solige, Kadukurumba and Jainakurumba. Characteristics of tribal community. Simple and self-content, worship of nature, loyal to the community and importance to unity, equality and independence to women, endogamous marriage, unique and different mother tongue, living in natural environment, economic system based on hunting and gathering of minor forest products and sporadic agriculture.